Hello, it's Diana from the Homemaking Exchange. In this video, we are making these simple strawberry cake mix cookies. To make these, add your dry strawberry cake mix to a large mixing bowl. Add eggs, add vegetable oil, and also melted butter. Make sure you give your butter a chance to cool down before you add it so that it doesn't cook your eggs. Then just mix that up really well. Keep going until all the ingredients are incorporated. The dough will be really thick and sticky, so don't touch it with your hands. Use a cookie scoop, or you could use 2 spoons to scoop up about 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie. Then drop your dough directly into the powdered sugar. You're just going to roll it and then shape it into a ball. It won't be so sticky at this point because of the powdered sugar. And then you'll place that onto a cookie sheet that has been lined with parchment paper. I have 4 little helpers that wanted to work on the cookies with me. These are great cookies for kids to make. As you can see, you really can't mess them up. If it falls apart, just squish the dough back together and roll it up into a ball. I have my dough on a cookie sheet. I'm going to bake these in an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm baking this for 10 to 12 minutes. You just want to bake them until the edges are set. The middle will still look a little bit underdone, but go ahead and take them out because they're going to continue to firm up as they cool down. Let them sit on the baking sheet for at least 10 minutes before you remove them. I'm continuing the process with the rest of my cookie dough. Roll them in the powdered sugar, then place them on my cookie sheet. I place some sprinkles on these. All you have to do is gently press the sprinkles into the top of the cookie dough before you stick them into the oven. These cookies are soft. They have a little bit of crispiness around the edges, but they're really soft in the middle. They are a perfect, easy Valentine's Day treat. If you're interested in making this recipe, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.